Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 8th lesson of D3 chapter number 5 exercise 5b, that is about discount, commission and different type of taxes. Before going to the lesson, I just want to say that for better understanding of the next lesson, you always have to integrate the previous lesson with the new lesson, and you should have the command on basic concepts and formulas so that you can understand the new lesson properly. Okay, let me clear some points in the beginning, that before going to this lesson, we should have the idea that what is gross annual income and what is the formula for the chargeable income, that is total income minus reliefs, and gross annual income is equal to reliefs plus chargeable income. Let's move to question number 15 and let's read the question from the book carefully. Question says that Mr. New paid an income tax of $1,474 for a particular year of his gross annual income. The amount that will not subject to income tax is given in the table. That for the personal, he's getting the relief of 3,000. For wife, he's getting the relief 2,000. Child relief 4,000 per child, and then parent relief 5,000 per parent, and CPF contribution is 15,600 and the donation is 200. So these are the different items on which he doesn't have to pay the tax. So these will call the reliefs, and that for the remaining income, that will be tax. The gross tax payable for first 40,000 is $550 and the rest is 7%. Find the gross annual income. We have to find the gross annual income. So first of all, we have to think about the formula that gross annual income equals to is the sum of reliefs plus the chargeable income as well. Reliefs we can get easily by adding up these information, that how many children he is having and parents and their reliefs. And for the second part, that is the chargeable income, we can see one of the amount that is considered as a chargeable income is 550, and the second chargeable income is, we're not given with that chargeable income, but we are given with the rate of and the percentage of the interest with that. So with the help of that, we are going to find it out that how much amount is there on which he is paying the tax of 7%. And then what we are going to do with these all is we are going to add up these all things to get his gross annual income. So I'll begin the solution with the formula that gross annual income equals to gross annual income equals to reliefs plus chargeable income. Now first of all, we have to find the reliefs. Okay, that is the easy part and we can do it easily. Reliefs. Now for the reliefs, he is getting the reliefs, personal relief, then he is getting the wife relief plus wife, and he is living with 4 children and 2 parents. Okay, wife, then we can write it that he's getting the relief of 4 children. 4 children, make your own equation, plus 2 parents, and plus furthermore he is living paying the CPF contribution, CPF contribution, and he is giving some donation as well. Now what I have to do, I have to replace the values carefully. That personal relief he's getting is 3000, and for wife he is getting 2000, and for children he's getting 4000 for one child. So for four children, 4 times 4000, and for parent he's getting 5000, and he's living with two parents, so 2 times 5000. And CPF contribution, once again let me confirm the value from the book: 15,600, 15,600, and then the donation is $200. And now let me simplify these values. This will be 2000 plus 3000 is 5000. 5000 plus 4 times 4 is 16,000. 16,000 plus 10,000 plus 15,600. 15,600 plus 200. Now let me hold the calculator and I have to perform this calculation very carefully. 5,000 plus 16,000 plus again 10,000 and plus 15,600 and plus 200. Okay, and I'm getting the amount 46,800. So 46,800 is the amount that he is not paying the tax for that, and these are the reliefs. And let me block this answer or highlight this answer. Now coming to the second part, that portion of his income on which he is paying the income tax, that the total tax that he has paid is $1,474. So there are two parts of that income. On first 440,000 he is paying, okay, so first for 40,000 he's paying $550. So chargeable income, how to find that? Income consists of two parts. Income consists of two parts, that is the first and the second. And first 40,000, on the first 40,000 the amount of tax that he is paying is 550 already given to us. 550 given to us. Second income is not given to us, on which he is paying 7% tax. So it can be written in the form 7% of x, or 7 over 100x, 7% of x, or we can write it 7 over 100x. Now the problem is that tax, amount of tax this plus amount of tax this, when we are adding up these two amounts, on these two amounts the total tax which he is paying is 1474. So what I have to do, total tax which is given in the question is 1474. Now I can make an equation. You can see that we are making the use of algebra as well. 7 over 100 can be written as 0.07x, and I can equate it with total tax which is 1474. Now what I have to do, I have to shift this 550 to other side. 0.07x equals to 1474 minus 550, and let me calculate the answer. 1474 minus 550, and this will give me 924. And I need to get value of x. So what I will be doing, I have to shift this 0.07 to other side, and equation will take the form 924 upon 0.07 divided by 0.07, and this will give me 13,200. $13,200. So the second amount on which he's paying the tax of 7% is $13,200. Now, in order to find the gross annual income will be equal to gross annual income will be equal to total reliefs, that is 46,800 plus first 40,000 on which we are giving the tax of $550, and the second $13,200 on which we are giving the tax by 7%. Let me add them up. 46,800 plus 40, 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros, and plus 13,200, and the sum that I'm getting is 100,000. Oh, he's a lucky man that he is earning the gross annual income equals to $100,000. I hope you are clear that how we are applying the formula of chargeable income and how we are applying the formula of gross annual income and the method of finding the reliefs. All these points have to be clear before the solution of these questions. Then the questions will really be easy for you. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.